Okay, one day outing and one day in the shed fixing things, which seems to be about right. So today it's brake adjustment. Luckily this car came with a great old, barely read that, it's the old workshop manual, service manual, Austin A90s, etc. So just done the rear brakes, going to do the front brakes, and then we'll see if we can fix that fuel pump issue. I'll turn this on and let you have a look. There might be somebody who might know what the hell's going on with it. I think we'll call that a win. Some washery stuff on there. Okay, we may have just about to fix the fuel pump, and we've got some petrol leaks. So that arrangement there is a fuel tap on the bottom of the tank which was leaking, but I found a spare, and that thing there which goes in last, that's the fuel drain, and that just drains down onto the ground. You can open that to get the sediment out of the tank. And I can, the camera will show it, pick it up. And we've got a replacement, where is that? There it is. Replacement fuel pump, which is a facet type fuel pump. And the other one was making quite a racket, so we'll try this. I've just had a replacement one because it was the easiest option. And if that doesn't work, then I'll have to get the mechanical fuel pump to work, but otherwise all good. Keep you posted. Okay, we might be ready. That's for me actually, that sign. So we've replaced the fuel pump, hopefully fixed the leaks in the fuel tank, replaced the taps and a few other minor things. I found some body clips and put these things back on, and the little clips underneath. So we'll start her up and go for a drive.